So, welcome back everybody. So as you may see, we got the roof completed to this point. I brought it out in my garage because once I get the cap put on the top of this, I bought spray paint to spray the inside. So what I'm gonna do is get this cap on in my garage, and then I'm going to clean this out so you guys can see me. I'll clean it out, and then I am going to spray paint it all white on the inside. Well, I'm gonna have to dust it because it's pretty dusty because it's been in the garage for a week. We had family that was in town, and unfortunately I couldn't do the crafts I wanted to do because they were here. So, plus Coco has not been feeling very well. I think it's just she's getting older and she doesn't like jumping on stuff and jumping down. So this week has been a little rough for me because I keep seeing her slowing down, and I just want to help her along. So I took some foam that I had and made her an extra step for her entry into the bed. She has foam stairs, so I made another step to give it 4 steps. And I'm hoping that will help her. And here she is, my little helper. Hi, Miss Coco. Say hi. You gonna say hi to anybody? Are you okay? Hey. Say hi. My adorable puppy. Well, she's not puppy. She's 11. But I'm going to go ahead and put that cap on. And then that way I'll come back once it's on, let you see it. And then I will empty the dollhouse and start painting the inside, and I'll let you see that. But I'm going to have to open up the garage door because I don't want the fumes to go into the house or breathe fumes. So you know how that goes. And there's my little helper. If you didn't know, we are in Ohio. So of course she has an OSU jersey. And I gave up Pepsi after we ate pizza. Pizza, Pepsi, trash. So I got the end cap on this side and the end cap on this side. Does that look cool? Then look at this fabric I have. I am going to start making some Barbie clothes with this fabric. So that'll be something for you guys to stay tuned to. Yay! So I laid the house on its side, on the back, so I can start spray painting. And I open up the garage. So let me get busy. Bye-bye house, the inside. Well, we got everything primed. The roof is finished on both sides. Now we'll start putting in the flooring. Maybe flooring will be last. I'm not sure. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, well,